How to connect Wix booking with Zoom. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to set up Wix booking and connect it with your Zoom. Now this way you can offer services like tutoring, coaching, consultation or any other online session directly through your Wix website. I will explain everything super simple, so even if you are completely new to Wix, don't worry, you will be able to follow along easily. First thing first, what you have to do is just simply come over this website, which is wix.com, and log in with your account. Then what you have to do is just simply select the site and then click on the edit site. Now I'm using Wix Studio, but you can use Wix standard as well. This method works in both editors. Just simply click on the edit site, so it will take you to the editor of that page, sorry, the editor of website, and then over there you have to install an app. Now just give a few seconds to just prepare this site. Now it's loaded. So what you have to do, in the left side you will get to see this app, add-on app. Simply click over here. Now in the app market you have to search for Wix booking. Now just simply click on this. I have already installed this app, so just simply click on the open, or you can, if you have an update, just simply click on the upgrade, it will update. So right now I will open this app in my website. So as you can see here, I have already created a service, as you can see here. Now what you have to do is, after the installation, just simply go back into Wix dashboard where you can manage his settings. Just go back, and then in the catalog what you have to do is just search for booking services and then click it. Now I have an online store. Now just simply click on the edit over here. If you have already created, what you have to do is just simply edit, and if you not created yet, I will tell you how you can create. So after the give the name of for your service. Now give a tagline, give a description, and then set up a duration, and if there is any buffer time, you can give that too. Now choose the pricing and payments. So choose how clients can pay for this service per session. You have to pay this much amount, enter amount. Now over here you can add this service can take place at your business location, so you can give a location as well. Now over here, this is important, here you have to add a video conference. What you have to do is just simply add it, save and continue. Now it will give you the add a fixed URL which will be sent for every booking. So what I will do, I will just simply connect Zoom account and generate a unique invite link each time after the client booking. Now just simply click accept it, click on the continue, it will redirect to your page. Now over here you have to add your email address and password, and what I will do, I will just simply click on the Google and sign up with the TechServe. Now continue, hit the continue button. Now I have to give my date of birth, just simply click on, and for education I am for educators, for EduCheck, here is if you are signing up behalf of a school or other organization to provide education service to children under the entity. No, so what I will do, I will just simply click create an account, so it will create my account. So go back, click on the continue. So we have successfully connected video conference, click on the got it. Now over here you will get Zoom account disconnected. Again, what you have to do is just simply click on the edit, save and continue. Let's see if it is working or not. Now Zoom account disconnected. While new Zoom link cannot be added session. So over here what you can do is just simply You can reconnect this, change my account, click on the continue, click on the continue again. So reload, so wait for, then allow access to connect with your Zoom, connect with your Wix. And I think we have successfully connected. Just wait for a few seconds to confirmation. So we have successfully added our Zoom into Wix booking. So default account, this staff member individual link will be sent instead of default account if connected. So we have successfully created our, so we have linked our Zoom with the Wix booking. Now simply click on the save. But if you haven't created any services, what you have to do is just simply click on the add new services. Before that, what you have to do is come to a Wix dashboard. From there you can access your catalog, and you can click on the catalog and click on the booking and services. From here you can add a new services. You can choose a template, or you can start from scratch. Just simply click on, for example, I will choose template to show you, but if you want to build from scratch you can build it, but I will choose this template to show you. Just after adding all the information, just scroll down a little bit, you will get to see this again option. Right now I have connected, so I'm not able to see that option, but if you haven't connected, you will get to see that option. So yeah, this is how you can connect your Zoom with Wix booking. So yeah, that's it. This is how. Now if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. And if you have any question, drop them down in the comment section. I would love to help you. Thanks for watching.